Hey, how's it going? We're Mike and Chris from SonicPresence. We're here in New York City, and today we're really excited to teach you about our brand new method of recording spatial audio with our flagship microphone, the SP15.
You just put it on your ears and immediately record the world exactly how you heard it. This is the perfect way to add professional three-dimensional sound to all your video content.
Here's some examples of the SP15 in action.
If you have any questions, I'm with Tesla.
Cool, Belle.
Now let's hear some live spatial audio. So as you can see, I'm wearing the SP15 mics right now, and there is two microphones, one for each ear, a left and a right. When I turned away from Chris while he was playing the guitar, you could hear how the sound kind of moved around in your headphones. That's a little taste of SonicPresence spatial audio, which we're going to explain more in a little bit. But first, let's take a look at the microphones themselves and everything that comes with it in the box.
So inside the box, we have a microfiber pouch. We have a USB-C to C cable. We have the actual SP15C microphone, which is sealed in a static protective bag. And finally, we have the quick start manual, which has some helpful tips and tricks on how to get started, tech specs, and some other good stuff. Once you remove the SP15 from its static protective bag, you'll notice there are two ear hooks. The red ear hook indicates it goes on your right ear, and the black one goes on your left ear. On this end, we have the USB-C port. This is where you'll plug in the included USB-C to C cable. So let's go ahead and plug that USB-C in. You'll hear a click sound when it's seated firmly. And from there, we'll go into Android tablets, Android smartphones, iPad Pro, as well as Mac and Windows PCs. Now iPhone's a little bit trickier since they use the Lightning port, so we'll remove the USB-C cable, and we have two accessories sold separately, the USB-C to A, as well as Apple's Lightning to USB-A camera adapter. So we'll connect those two things together, then we'll plug into the puck, and from there we'll go straight into the iPhone. And now we're good to go.
So what is spatial audio? Spatial audio is our style of recording that allows you to record exactly what you hear. By using the natural spatial cues from the human head, we're able to recreate an almost surround sound-like experience in headphones. It's really like having an entire audio engineering team in your pocket. And at only $149, the SP15 is better than microphones 10 times the price. Big tech companies like Dolby and Apple are pushing their version of spatial audio right now, but currently they're only focused on playback. With the SP15, this is your first chance to record spatial audio yourself.
So unlike Dolby Atmos, which uses object-based processing, SonicPresence spatial audio records on a standard 2-channel stereo track. That means you can easily share it on all your favorite social media platforms, such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. There's no special equipment required.
Some of you have probably heard of binaural recording. Binaural is when you use microphones that look like human ears, and it's often used in ASMR videos. While our spatial audio sounds similar to expensive binaural microphones, by using a real human head and actually placing the microphones outside of the ear canals, we achieve a much more true-to-life sound.
There are so many ways to incorporate spatial audio into your content. Let's have a look at some examples. First-person vlog footage.
So, today we are on our way to Times Square. I have my SonicPresence spatial microphones with me.
Live concerts and loud events. Noisy environments where sounds are jumbled.
You know, if you have any questions, I'm with Tesla.
Okay,
If you
thank
want to
you.
sign up for a test drive, you're welcome.
Okay.
It's fully electric, made in California.
Oh, I see that. Yeah. Beautiful.
it's American.
Yeah.
As you can hear, SonicPresence spatial audio captures sound exactly how you hear it. It's one of the most personal and intimate ways to record the world. Here's how easy it is to make a recording. So let's start out with the Shure Plus Motif app. As you can see, we are on the built-in iPad microphone, which is mono. So we'll go ahead and plug in our SonicPresence mic and just give it a second. Alright, now we've switched over to stereo spatial audio. You can see the two channels, the USB label up top. Down here we have the mic gain, so you can dial this back in noisy environments if necessary. In the format pane, we can select which format we would like to use. We're going to stick with WAV. Under quality, a whole bunch of choices here. We'll stick by 16 and 48 kilohertz and go ahead and click record. So now let's take a look at Filmic Pro, which records audio and video. Now you can go over to the settings icon, click audio, and just double check the SonicPresence mic is plugged in. You can see it right there. Down here we have the formats pane. We'll go ahead and stick with PCM. And at the bottom you have sample rate options. We'll stick with 48 kilohertz. Now we can just click away. Underneath the time code, you can toggle the input gain by dragging this small slider. Once you're happy with the audio level, go ahead and click record.
The SonicPresence SP15 microphone is also compatible with most of the live streaming or video conferencing applications you're probably already using, including Zoom, StreamYard, and OBS for going out to Twitch or YouTube. Earlier this year, I was hosting weekly live streams where some collaborators and I were making improvised electronic music with drum machines and synthesizers, and we were broadcasting out to YouTube. It was amazing how well just one set of SP15 microphones captured both our voices of chatting in the studio as well as the music coming out of the speakers. That's beautiful.
Very pretty. I feel like I'm at a pool.
Yes.
Poolside.
About, yeah.
The SonicPresence website has links to our full manual, quick start guides, tips and tricks, as well as links to over a dozen applications across the iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows platforms that are all fully compatible with the SP15C. That includes audio-video recorders as well as live streaming applications. Just remember, the SP15 is a spatial microphone and not a set of earbuds. There is no playback functionality. We hope this video was helpful and gave you some idea of how to incorporate spatial audio and the SP15 into your content. But please don't be afraid to get creative. This is really just a jumping off point, as possibilities with the SP15 are truly endless. We've really just begun to scratch the surface of spatial audio experiences. We really can't wait to hear the recordings that you make and see the new and unique ideas that you bring to the SP15 microphone and to spatial audio. We're a small team, so please don't hesitate to reach out to us over email if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and take care.